In this lecture, we're going to focus on the setup of ChartJS. So before I even can start with putting in the commands in JavaScript, I want to pay some additional attention to something very important, because ChartJS has some specific definitions. And probably in the line chart you already saw it, and here's the same story. We have what we call the labels, that is the y-axis here. These are the name tags of the labels. And we have the x-axis, and these are the data sets. So you can see here the data sets depends on the values we give here. So this will be dependent on the values here. So this is very flexible and interactive. So once you know that, we can start working on the data sets and the labels. So we go to our file. Once you are in a file, we're going to type in here script. And we have here also a closing command for script. Once we did that, we need to focus now on something very specific. So the first thing we want to do is we want to give a variable, and this variable will be named bar chart data. So this means that all the data of the bar chart will be in here, equals. Then we have here curly brackets. And here we start with the labels. Remember, the labels is the y-axis. In this case we have 8 months as labels. So let's start with that. We type in labels space colon, then we have bracket, and then we have quotation. We type in here January, comma, quotation, double quotation. We need to put in double quotation, not quotation. So double quotation, and then we have here February, comma, double quotation, March, comma, double quotation, April, comma, double quotation, May, double quotation, June, double quotation, July, comma, and double quotation, August. Once you did that, at the very end you have to put in a comma as well. So we put in enter. And then we're done with the first part. In the next part we're going to focus on the data sets. So do this first so you have the labels ready.